Before you visit another open house, there is one thing you should do first. Meet with a qualified lender and understand what you can comfortably offer. Many buyers begin looking at homes before knowing their budget, monthly payment, or financing options. That can lead to disappointment or missed opportunities. Getting fully pre approved helps you to understand your price range, strengthens your offer, and allows you to act quickly when the right home becomes available. It also gives you confidence throughout the home buying process because you will know exactly where you stand financially before falling in love with a home. If you need more guidance, let me know. This is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. Thanks for watching.